Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a riddle video for YouTube for free and how you can make money from it. So in this video I'm going to cover the channels that's already doing the earning they are making and how you can make a riddle for free and how you can make money from it. So there's a four thing I want to cover in this video. Before we move on to the videos, you know the drill. Subscribe, press the bell icon, like this video. In the end, if you really like our videos, leave a comment. And if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is subscribe, like and share. So the first thing you have to go to YouTube and type a riddle or puzzles. You know, these videos, the 7-second riddles, are having around 4 million subscribers. Their videos are getting over 1 million views. If we go there and play these videos, you can see there's no voice, there's no face, there's no recording, just a basic animation and only text. And they give questions, they wait for a couple of minutes, or not minutes, a couple of seconds. After that they reveal the answer, something like that. So in this entire video there's no voice, no face, no recording, nothing, just a basic copy and paste method where you can earn money on YouTube. So what you have to do, first copy this channel name and go to social media and see how much they are making. So you see they are making around £15,000 to £250,000 per year. So this revenue is not accurate, so we can go in the midways. They're around, I'm gonna predict around £80,000 per year. That is 3 people's salaries, guys. 3 people a year the earning. If we are living in the UK, that you can roughly earn around 28,000 per year. So that's roughly around 3 people's salaries, guys. But again, you can see they have over 4 million subscribers while their earning potential is low because they have a low CPM. Video like this ones have a low CPM, so they can earn $2 to $3 per 1,000 views. It's not like other money making or finance related videos that you have a high CPM. So we are not depending on that because you can spend less than 1 hour to make this video. So it doesn't matter you have a low CPM or high CPM, as long as you're getting enough views to make some passive income from YouTube every single month. That is our goal, that is our idea. So how you can make a riddle video like this one. So if you are new to making videos like this one, so if you want to make this animated video like this one, I'm going to show you the free way that you can do. First, what you have to do, go to Google and type riddles or riddle questions or riddles example. So these are the website that you can take these questions, no copyright, because these are you know, general riddles, so nobody can claim for copyrights for that. So you can just copy and paste that. What you have to now, go to open one of these sites and identify the riddle that you want to make it. So for example, here, this is the website I want to get information. These are the riddles, and if you click show answer, it will give the answer. For example, this riddle: if you drop me, I'm sure to crack and give me a smile and I will smile back. What am I? It's a basic riddle. So what is it? It's a mirror. You can see it's a mirror. What you have to now do is copy that and paste it. All you have to do, first go to Canva and click type YouTube and click YouTube video ad. This give you this dimension 1920 times 1080 pixel, which is you, so you can download that in a high quality video. So you're gonna make a video on Canva, not a picture, video on Canva. If you automatically video add here, or they automatically give that video at format, so they is a basic animation, everything there, you will download in MP4 file. So after Canva is open, what you have to do, you can go and select the template that you want. So if you don't want, you can go with the blank template, it doesn't matter either. So I want to pick a color, the background color for that, so I'm going to go with the black. Now you have to go back to the website and copy the questions or for the riddle, come back to your Canva, paste it on here, basic copy and paste. Now you have to do readjust the size of the letters, make it a little bit bolder and bigger, change the font if you don't like the font, and also you can go click this 3 dot and make them into capitals. And what you have to do now, you can track and adjust the size where you want to put it here. Now this part is done. All you have to know is click outside the box and click this one, animate, and select the animation you want. I want to go with this one and change the duration of the animation, which is I want to go with 2 seconds because it's only letter. Now what you have to do is this one, click this one, duplicate the page here. After you duplicate the page, what you have to do, go to here, you need to put the countdown clock there. So you can put like a progression bar or countdown clock, so for the 10 seconds, so people pause the video, play the video and think about the answer. So because of the riddle, you need to give a couple of seconds to come up with the answer, right? So what you can do, you can go with two different way. If you click elements and you can click countdown, but here is the animation is not good with at the moment. Here all you have to do now, there's a one thing that you can go, this is the pictures, they are no animation. If you click this one here and change to animation here, they only have one numbers here, no animation. So go down to bottom and click this one more, and after that click this one, go Giphy, and I think it's a GIF. So if you click here and type countdown or whatever, it gives this 60-second, 3-second countdown, 10 minutes, 10-second countdown. So I don't want to go with the countdown, I am going with the progress bar. If you type that, I can show one example here, this one here. If you click that, this is the progress bar you can see here. So what you can do, click crop button here and crop that image, it is smaller like this one. What you do, readjust the position, enlarge it, put it in the middle. You see this is 22 seconds, right? You want that in 10 seconds, right? So what you do, click outside and click this bar here and put 10 seconds here. When you put 10 seconds, it will automatically put these two things into 10 seconds, but doesn't matter because this one stays same in the end. Once it all come out, this is the one we want to care about for 10 seconds. So if you click outside, you see the total minutes gone up for 12 minutes because this is 2 seconds, 12 seconds. Okay, this is 2 seconds and this is 10 seconds. If you click play, and you can see the letters come up. After that, again it come out, the progress on loaded for 10 seconds. After that, video end. Now what you have to do, click outside and click again, copy that, duplicate that. So if you go to the bottom, remove this progression bar and you need to put the answer. The answer you can get it here. So it's a mirror, copy that mirror answer, go back to your Canva, paste it on here, enlarge the image letter here, put it on here. To make a little bit more fun, what you can do, go to elements here and type mirror. They have animations and images for there, so you can put this one mirror like this one. Okay, and what you can do, so you the last minute we don't want in 10 seconds, you can go with 5 seconds here. Let's see. Okay, then see 5 seconds, or you can go with the word we can do, say release this between 8 seconds. They know because there's no countdown clock, so it doesn't matter 8 seconds, 10 seconds, because I wanted it in 15 seconds in total, so I want to go with 8 seconds here. Little bit 8 here. That's it. Total length of this video, the first riddles, is 15 seconds long. So click this one, play. You can see the title come up. After that, the progression bar is come up. It's gonna go for another 8 seconds. Also after 10 seconds, our answer will be played. So you can see our answer is played now another 4-5 seconds. So altogether is 15-second video. Now for one riddles is 15 seconds. If you want to make 8 minutes video, so we can do the calculation here. I open my phone here. So if you want to make an 8 minutes video, so we 8 times 60, because 60 seconds for 1 minute, that around 480 second total length. If we divide that by 15, because each of the riddle gonna last you 15 seconds, that you're gonna put 32 riddles into one video, so you come up with 8 minutes video. Now this is a basic copy and paste method, guys. So you're gonna copy the riddles from website, paste it on Canva, just click and do the little bit of animation here. You can what you can do, you can continue this pattern because you have a 3 template, right? Just copy and paste it. Or what you can do, click this one called download video. You download that in high quality. You download each video, so 32 videos, then combine them using a video editing software. You can come with 8 minutes video, guys. Put title and end card, that's it. You upload 1 video per day. It's gonna take like one hour to create this video, guys. Again, it won't happen in overnight. What you can do is just upload video like these channels. They have, you can see they have nearly 3,000 videos are here, guys. 3,000 video. So how long they are in the YouTube here? So they create the channels in 2018, 2 years, guys. These channels all 2 years and have over 4 million subscribers and around 3,000 videos, guys. So all you have to do is publish one video per day. You spend 1 hour to make this video, guys. Just copy and paste method and you can make money from it. So how you can make money from it? You can make money from Google advertisement or AdSense or ad money, where you, after you qualify for the 1,000 subscriber and watch time, you qualify for that. Every 1,000 view you're gonna pay $2 to $3, I think, because they have a low CPM, this kind of videos. And second way that you can make money is by affiliate marketing. All you have to do, go to Amazon, sign in for associate program, and type Riddle on the search bar and click this one text button. It's going to give you affiliate link. Put it in the description. Whenever people want to buy a riddle book or puzzles book, they can click the link and go ahead and they can buy it, and you're gonna get the commission for that. I think you're gonna get 3 to 4% commission for books and stationery, I think. So if they buy a book like this one for $10, you're gonna make, or £10, you're gonna make 30 cents. Again, it's a compound, guys. If the money start to build up, you can withdraw larger money every single month. This is the best passive income method. All you have to do is publish in a video, put the affiliate link, so you can earn money from YouTube and affiliate marketing. Again, it won't happen in overnight. You have to put a work. That's why I call myself is an active passive income. If you want to make money on YouTube, it's a passive income because your older video can make you money, but you need to post content every single day and week in order to bring more views and subscribe to your YouTube channels. Keep that channels more active so you can earn more money as a passive income, guys. I think this will help you guys. If you want to make a YouTube video, if you want to create a YouTube channel but you are worrying about recording recording voice or recording in front of the camera, if you don't like those things, you can go with this way and you can make money from it, guys. Again, guys, if you really like this video, all you have to do is subscribe, press the bell icon, and like this video, leave a comment, and on that, say I like this video, put your PayPal address. When this video gets 100 likes, I will do the giveaway of the next video. Thursday you can win a £10 PayPal money. Until that, have a good day. See you in the next video, guys.